Hello, it's Reaver says hi, and we're here for another Minecraft video, and these next few videos might be a little bit Christmas themed, so off camera I started building this platform made of snow. It's a white wonderland, by a 16 by 16 area. It's a wonderland by 16 by 16 area, and these are going to be like short videos, so I won't, make you so bored. Because apparently you're supposed to make short videos when you just start out on YouTube, but how am I supposed to know? I just started out. Yeah. I'm not a professional. I'm not a MLG video maker. I'm not a cinematographer. I'm not a squid. Of course you aren't. I'm even too tired to do Mike's voice. Gee. Oh well, we're almost done with the platform. Yeah. Okay, we're almost done with the platform. Yeah. Well, we're done. Alright. Oh, yeah, that's the end of the video. The Reaper says hi, and, click the annotation button for the next video. Okay, bye. Sheesh. You thought the video's over, huh? Well, you were wrong. Okay. Now, we're gonna build the tree, I guess? I don't know. Are we gonna build a fat tree? I don't know. Maybe. But who cares? Okay, I think the middle is right around here. Okay, now we got this, so we're gonna put a dirt block. A dirt block. Nah, we're not gonna grow the tree. We're gonna build it. So let's have some Christmas themed, some lime, and some gunpowder. Okay. Now, doot 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 doot. And we're gonna do this. Okay, now, hooray! Now, this is gonna be the Christmas platform. Alright, the Christmas platform is green, booger green, with blood red droppings. Okay, Christmas is all about boogers and blood. Okay? Boogers and blood. Alright, now, we're gonna put some presents, so it's gonna be a high tree. Yeah, it's with its friend seaweed. Okay, so now it's gonna have some presents, so it's gonna have like this thing in the bottom. Okay, yeah, great tree, great tree. Yeah, woohoo. Okay, and then we're gonna make it a little higher, cause crap. Okay, now. Oh, 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 I'm feeling this lag. Do you feel this lag, man? Oh, yeah, I feel this lag, man. Okay. Now, this is going to be a part 2 video, so stay tuned. No, I'm not done yet. You thought it's done? No. I make you stick to torture for a few more minutes, okay? Bear with me. Yeah, bear with me now. okay, 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 right, right. That's how you make a tree, right? No? What do you mean I'm not making a tree right? It looks like a pyramid fat tree. Yeah, it's gonna be really, really fat when it gets up to here. Huh. Okay then. How about we do this? Yeah, great tree. Let's just do this first. Let's build the tree up, and then we add more stuff to it. Yeah, that seems better than making a pyramid tree. Way better than your stupid idea. Oh, what do you mean I have stupid ideas? I'm mentally insane. That's why I'm talking to myself. Please excuse this insanity while I try to. Okay, you know what? You know what? Freak, F it, cause Christmas trees are always disproportional. So I'm making a disproportional tree. Yeah, that's a beautiful square tree. Squareness. Yeah, beautiful squareness and picture of a square. Okay, beautiful squareness. Yeah. Okay. All right, we're done. Now we admire the beautifulness of the tree. Perfect.